Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cooking and eating as a family. So this is one of our favorite social Sunday as a family. We sit down and eat our favorite food. So I have prepared this chicken stew. This is a roadrunner chicken stew. I'm going to show you how to cook this roadrunner chicken stew. I have also made this beetroot coleslaw salad. This is the best salad that I love. It's so delicious. So I'm also going to show how to make this. I'm also going to show you how we sit and how we eat as a family, especially one of these Sundays that we love to sit down and eat as a family in our lounge, not in the dining table, at the dining table, in the lounge. So let's first make our chicken. I'm going to add salt to the pieces that I'm going to be cooking today. Also, I'm going to grate ginger in my pot because I love ginger flavor in my chicken stew. After boiling the chicken, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to the chicken. I don't love fatty food that much, so I'm going to just add a tablespoon of oil to fry it a little bit. So I'm going to take out this liver. I don't want it to be squashed inside the pot. Now I'm done with the chicken. I'm going to prepare the soup for the chicken. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. I have onions, green and red pepper, carrots, tomatoes, and baby mallow. For the soup, I'm going to add this mild and spicy raja. So basically, I love to use this thick and vegetable soup if I don't have roiko. I love Zimbabwean products. I love them. They are really good, especially for me and my family. Right now, I'm going to fry my onions until they are done. Then I'll add some carrots and these baby mallows. I don't know what you call this. Add some tomatoes. Make sure everything is cooked perfectly. Right now, I'm adding my spicy raja. And a teaspoon of this vegetable thickener. Add water, a little bit amount of water, bit by bit until the soup is rich and thick enough to add our chicken. Now that the soup is ready, I'm going to add my green and red pepper for the flavor. I don't want this cooked. I just want the flavor and the color from these peppers. Now add chicken one by one into the pan. So this is how I prepare my chicken stew. If you love this kind of videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel. So reduce the heat and let the soup simmer. Now our soup is done. Our chicken stew is done. It's time to make our salad, my best salad. So we just need cabbage, carrot, cucumber, beetroot, and onion. So I love to use this crosswell and black or whatsoever. This is tangy mayonnaise. I love that one. First of all, I'm going to cut some strips of carrots. I'm not good at using the knife, I fear for my fingers. Also cut the cucumber into stripes, the onion, beetroot, and the cabbage. So last time we talked about the goals for the family. We talk about the goals in the relationship. So our goal as a family on this video is to eat together. Yes, especially weekends when everyone is at home, no one is busy, so we eat as a family, talking and relaxing. Now that I'm done, I'm going to transfer all the ingredients into my salad bowl. But basically I can see that my salad will not fit all into this bowl. So I'm going to take a big lunch box that I want to use. Yes. So I'm going to transfer all the vegetables inside this bowl. As you can see, it's looking delicious already. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this mayonnaise. So remember, I don't like fatty foods. Yeah, I don't like fatty food, you guys. So I'm going to make sure that everything is mixed very, very well. Now that I'm done, I'm also going to transfer this beetroot salad into my lovely plate. I'm not going to use food bowls, my serving bowls. No, I want to use these, free good plates of mine. So this is how I prepare my Sunday meal. So for the rice, I've already prepared my rice. I've used this yellow rice, premium white rice. I love this rice. Though this video is not sponsored, but I love this rice. It's so good, and it cooks very well. So this is our meal for Sunday. And after, we love to eat our cortina, ice cream. I love this ice cream. I love it. My family loves this cortina ice cream. And also, I love also to add some bananas. Maybe there is someone wants a fruit. You just have a banana. For the juice, I love Fun and Fresh. Fun and Fresh is so delicious. And it's also from Zimbabwe. I love these products. Now it's time to eat our food. My husband is already serving the food to my baby. She's watching TV. So we wanted to eat first. Kids, how kids are, they don't have patience for the food. So we allowed her to eat the food. So you guys, this is my amazing husband that I have and my small family. So let me introduce you to him. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be eating. This is Sunday, so as a family we have decided to eat today. So this is our favorite meal, our rice, our beetroot salad. We have already dished some for Elena. Also our chicken. This is Rodran. Meet my husband. So it's time to eat. This is my husband. He's such a darling, you guys, such a lovely husband. He doesn't count, you guys. He's one in a million. I thank God for this husband and my small family. If there's something that I need to thank God for, is this small family that he gave to me. So I always pray to God for those who are looking for their life partners, to always seek God and ask God to make the right decision for themselves, and God as the guidance, everything will come out very, very well. So we are just going to enjoy our meal, and you guys continue to watch. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we talk about relationships, we talk about, budgeting. I talk about how to manage the house. I love talking about everything. So you guys, thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching my channel and our videos. So my husband decided to put on his earphones. He wanted to to record how he wanted to tell us how the food tastes. So that's why he put on his earphones, so that he can tell you guys how the food is tasting. Today we are eating with our bare hands. Yes. We decided to sit on the floor just for fun, not on the not at the dining table today, on the floor, enjoying our time, enjoying everything, enjoying the food, not this and that, just us eating our home cooked meal. This food is very, very delicious, you guys. It's very, very delicious. And especially with your family by your side eating together, the food will be tasting very, very delicious. So we have managed to finish everything. You guys, we have managed to finish everything alone. So we also thank God for the blessings of the food. We thank God for that. So we don't have any food to waste. If we cook the food, we must make sure that we finish all the food. So thank you guys for watching our video. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to share this video to others. It's an exciting video, you guys. Yeah, it's a small family like this. Yeah. Now that we are done eating, we are all full, you guys. We are all full. So this lunch went well. Everyone is full and happy. We thank God for that. My husband has decided to bring a dish and water for us to wash our hands. He just told us to sit down, and he will, bring the water for us. Look at how he's handling the the jug, you guys. So if you find this video very interesting, please subscribe to our channel for more content, which is so exciting, which is also coming.